Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be completing this Samishti Charanam of this Kriti, Hindolam, Govardhana, Gireesham as well. In the previous class we discussed all such points about Hindola Ragam, but for an advanced student I think you should know some more points. Like this Raga, Hindola, is Sarva Swara Murcha Na Rakti Raga. Sarva Swara Murchana Rakti Raga. Like in the previous video, in the previous lesson of that Gita, Adulida Vaibhava, Shuddha Danyasi. That Raga was also a Sarva Swara Murchana Rakti Raga. Okay. For not a beginner, if you're somewhat of a beginner, okay, somewhat more than of a beginner, you should really try this Graha Bhedam as well. Okay. So, yeah, before that, let's sing this Arohana and Avrohana of Hindola Raga first. Sa ga ma dha ni sa. Okay. Sa ni da ma ga sa. Now, let's move on to this Graha Bhedam. How to do that? Sa ga ma dha ni sa. There we started from Shadjam. Sa. Now let's start with Gandhara. Ga ga ma dha ni sa ga. Let's sing it in the straight. Ga ma dha ni sa ga sa ni da ma ga. Ga ma dha ni sa ri ma pa. Ga ma dha ni sa ga sa ri ma pa dha sa. Which raga is that? Sa da pa ma ri sa. Which raga is that? In my previous lesson that Geetam also I taught you this raga. Shuddha Saveri. Sa ri ma pa dha sa da pa ma ri sa. That's Shuddha Saveri. When we are doing this Graha Bhedam in the Gandharam, with this Gandharam of the Hindola Raga, we will get Shuddha Saveri. Then let's move on to the Madhyama. Sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga sa. Which raga is that? Sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga sa. Adulita. Which raga is that? That's Shuddha Danyasi, right? So if we are when we are doing this Graha Bhedam in the Madhyama, from this Madhyama of Hindola, we will get Shuddha Danyasi. Now let's move on to the Daivadam. Da ni sa ga ma dha da ma ga sa ni da ni sa ga ma dha da ni sa sa ri ga pa da sa da pa ga ri sa ri ga pa da sa da pa ga ri sa. Which raga is that? Mohanam. Now let's move on to Nishad. So when we are doing Graha Bhedam in the Daivadam Swaram of this Hindolam, we will get Mohanam. Now let's move on to Nishada. Sa ni sa ga ma dha ni da ma ga sa ni sa ga ma sa ri ma pa ni sa ga ma dha ni da ma ga sa ni sa. Which raga is that? Sa ri ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ri sa. Sa ri ma pa ni sa. Madhyamavadi. That's Madhyamavadi. Okay. So like this way we can easily find out which are the ragas coming in this Hindola Raga when we are doing this Graha Bhedam. Graha Bhedam is only meant for somewhat of advanced student. Okay, beginners just avoid it. No need to try because it might get you confused whether you are singing Hindolam or Shuddha Danyasi or some ragas like that. You won't find it in the right way. Now let's sing the Arohana as well as the Avrohana and let's move on to the Samishti Charanam. Sa ga ma dha ni sa ni da ma ga sa. That's all. So, if you have practiced the Pallavi, let's move on to the Samishti Charanam. Govinda Nama. Govinda Nama Saram. Govinda Nama. Govinda Ma. That's a Ma and it is having a slide from Shadja. Okay. Earlier in the previous video also I said I'm not gonna discuss about these Anuswarams. Yes, you all will be familiar, I know. Govinda ma. Actually, that's Dani, like that. We are touching that Daivatam, but no need to say that. Mani, like that. Govinda. We can consider it as a gamagam of this inshallah. No problem with that. Govinda nama, da, from that dama. Govinda nama, saram Saaram Madada Gama Saram. Okay, you should be very much familiar with this Agaram and all, otherwise it won't sound good. Saram. Okay, Govinda Nama Saram. Then Gajendra Maga Gajendra Magama Ni. Actually, that's Nida. We are going to Nishal, then coming back to Daivatam. So we can consider it either as a Gamagam of Daivatam as well. No problem with that. Govinda Nama Saram Gajendra. Okay. Ga Maga Je Ma Dra Manida Gajendra. Then Rakshana Denisasa Rakshana Dhiram Nisa. Like that. So when we are combining, it will sound like Govinda Nama Saram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram Sari. Like that. Why we are singing like Sari at the end? It is to connect this phrase again, because like in the previous video I said the basic structure of this Keerthanam, not only of this Keerthanam, most of the Keerthanams we sing it twice. Each phrase should be repeat twice. So for a connection only we are singing like Govinda Nama Saram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram Go, like that. Go Sari Dama Vinta Nama Saram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram. This Govinda, this portion, it is having two sangadis. One more phrase is there, and it will sound like Govinda. It is having a quick run as well. Go Dama Gamadari Sagada Govinda. Okay, Dama Gamadari Govinda Nama Saram. That is just like in the previous. Da Gama Saram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram. That's just a repeat. So when you are combining it as a phrase, it will sound like just a second sangati. Okay. Govinda Nama Saram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram. Govinda Nama Saram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram. You should keep it there. Dhiram Sa. No need to drop it like Sari, because from there we are moving it upwards. Another phrase, moving to another phrase. So no need to give a Sari. Then Kavi Janarat Mandaram. Kavi Sagasa Kavi Jana Sagasa Sani Nisani. Like that also we can say. Kavi Janarat Rat. That's Nishadam, and it's been lifted from Sani, like that, from Shadjam. Then only it will get such a feel. Kavi Janarat Mandaram, like that. Rat, okay, Nishad. Man, Dama, Daram, Damadani. Kavi Janagrat Mandaram. Okay, then Kanaga Jidasu Kanaga Nisani Kanaga Jitasu Niga Sanisa Jitasu Shariram Samaga Gamaga Sa. Okay, Shariram. When you are combining it as a phrase, it will sound like Kavi Janagrat Mandaram Kanaga Jitasu Shariram. Okay, you should sing that phrase also twice. Okay, then that rap thing, that double speed thing. Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam, Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam, Ravi Shashi Sani Saka, Ravi Shashi Nayana Sani Sa, Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam, Sani Saka, Sani Saka, Sani Sa. That's the note. Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam. Just throw that Gandhara, then only it will get such a feel. Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam. Then Ramaniya Mughabhasam, Ramaniya Nini Dada Ramaniya Mughabhasam, Mama Dagama Mughabhasam. Just give a curve there. Ramaniya Mughabhasam. Then Shivaganadi Vishwasam. Shivaganadi Vishwasam. Shivagana Sa. Shigamagasa. Shivaganadi Vishwasam. Gamagasani Danisa. Shivaganadi Vishwasam. Shri. We are here at Shadjam, and from there Shri, that's also Shadjam, but we should give a quick slide. Shivaganadi Vishwasam Shri Guru Guga. Okay, Shri Shadjam Guru Guga Danidama Guru Guga. That's the signature of Swami Dikshita. Never forget that. Okay, Shri Guru Guga Manolasam Mama Dagava. Okay. So when we are combining Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam Ramaniya Mughabhasam, that should be repeated twice. Ravi Shashi Nayana Vilasam Ramaniya Mughabhasam Shivaganadi Vishwasam Shri Guru Guga Manolasam Shivaganadi Vishwasam Shri Guru Guga Manolasam. Then this kriti is having Chitta Sura. Ga Gama Gama Saga Zani Sa Nidani Sa. This phrase should be repeated twice, and when you sing this thing, you should be very much thorough with this dirgha beat. Ga 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 gama gama ga ga. For this starting Gandhara, it is having 2 beats, extra beat. Ga aga gama gama aga. Ga 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 gama gama ga ga ma ga ga. 2 beats for Madhyam as well. Ga ga ma ga ma ga ga sa ga sa ni sa ga ni then. For that Shadjam, it is having 1 beat, extra beat. Ga 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 ma ga ga sa ga sa ni sa ga ni then ni sa ga ga. For that Shadjam is also 2 beats are there. Ma ga ma. Okay. When you are combining it as a phrase, it will sound like ga ga ma sa ga sa ni then ni sa ga ma ga ma sa ga sa ni then ni sa ga. Okay, it should be sung twice. Ma ga ma da ni da ni sa ma ga ma da ni da ni sa Up to that, no extra beats. And ma ga sa ni da ma ga sa ni ma a ga sa ni. For that Madhyama, it is having an extra beat. Ma ga sa ni da ma. For that Shadjam is also having an extra beat. Sa ni da ma, then ma ga sa ni ga ma ga sa ni. Okay, for that Madhyama also it is having an extra beat. So when we are combining that Swaram portion, it will sound like, no need to sing it like ga 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 ma ga ga. Don't sing it like that. Okay, that will be really awkward. When you sing this, it should be there in your mind only. Ga ga ma sa ga za ni sa ni da ni sa ma ga ma sa ga za ni sa ni da ni sa ma ga ma da ni sa ni sa ma ga sa ni da ma ga sa ni go. Go means Govardhana Gireesham, the Pallavi, the first phrase. Yeah, so this is the end of this lesson. So I hope it was quite an easy one for you all. Those who are, if you are somewhat more of a beginner, this Kruti is a really good one to try. So keep on practicing, and those who have not yet subscribed my channel, do that now itself for more. Okay, we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.